everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here sharing the kits I plan to use for April. So there are only 4 full weeks in April, so that's all the kits I have, so pretty quiet month. So to start out with, the first week is April 4th through the 10th, and I'm going to be using this kit from My Planner Life UK. It's called Unicorn Frappe. It's definitely like a fun anytime kit, but I feel like these colors really feel very April to me. I don't really know why. I'm not sure if it's the purple or what. But using this kit, it's a 2 full page, if I can get the other page here, a 2 full page kit. So it pretty much does all my setup for me. This covers the sidebar, and then I use most of this stuff, not all of it, but most of it. And then I have use some of this and some of its leftovers. I don't really need a whole lot of extras on these weeks, so that's always really handy. But I'm excited to use this. It's been a while since I've used a My Planner Life UK kit, so it'll be fun to use one again, and this is definitely a very quirky one, which will be exciting. Next up is April 11th through the 17th, and that is Easter, so the 17th is Easter. So I'm using this kit by Lovely Planner. It's called Easter Gnomes, and it has this cute little Happy Easter. She's done like a whole bunch of gnome kits recently, and I haven't used really any of them, but I thought this one was super cute and fun and springy and perfect for Easter, obviously. I've used a lot of Lovely Planner kits recently, so another one that's like really fast for me to set up, which is also really great. The third week of April is the 18th through the, why is math so hard? 24th, I guess that is. So I'm going to be using this kit by B&R Papercraft. It's called Lavender. This is another anytime kit, but definitely feels very spring, and to me feels very April. So there's all these lavender full boxes. And then this is the bottom washi, which is gorgeous, and I love it, as well as the date covers. Boxes here. These colors are so gorgeous, which I'm excited to use. More functionals, full box checklists. So more full boxes and some functional things. Glitter headers, little things, and a few other miscellaneous. Word headers. These are washi strips, some tiny boxes, sidebar headers. So this is another ultimate kit. I've used several of these at this point, and you know that it's like so much extra. So I will definitely be able to get pretty much the whole week done with just this kit, which is great because these colors are definitely unique, but I'm excited to be using them. And then the last week, April 25th through the beginning of May. I believe it's May 1st. So April 28th is our anniversary. And so I wanted to use kind of like a lovey-dovey kit, but also still feels spring. So I'm using this kit from Vintage Glam called Love is in the Air. This is just the first page I printed out because this is really all I need. And it has these cute little couples in it. This one kind of looks like me and Dave a little bit. This one says like love and hearts, and there's all these florals, so very springy. These colors feel like soft spring versions of the colors that we used for our wedding, which was navy and burgundy. So I think this will be really fun and cute and different. And I haven't used a Vintage Glam kit in a very long time, so I'm excited to do that as well. So that's all I really have for today. Pretty quick video, but hopefully you enjoyed getting a preview of what's to come in the next few weeks. So as always, please like and subscribe below. Let me know what kits you're using for April, as well as what kits you're using for May, so that I can start planning as well. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. I show spreads with all of these kits, and I show other planners I have, bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.